grateful that y'all have joined us for this end of summer event. Y'all just have a great time. Enjoy. Make sure you come home with some new names of people that you don't know that tomorrow you can say hello to. God, we are just so grateful that you are here with us. We know that you love to gather with us as well. And so thank you so much for all of these who have gathered today. Help our ministry to also minister to other young adults in the community so that they will know how much you love them. Because that is the whole point here, to spread your love. It's in your name we pray. Amen.